up, LNC Fam? Welcome back to another video. I got myself a new project. It's a customer's vehicle. His name is Brad, OC Motivator. You guys might have seen his YouTube channel. So he brought his beautiful Lamborghini Huracan 610-4. And this is the car. And you guys might think, hey Vlad, what's wrong with the car? It's all perfect. Yes, it is perfect on the outside, but the inside, he had a little accident. So he had this car parked in his driveway and the window was open. Pussycat got into my car, so he wanted to take a picture, how cute it was, and then the cat freaked out. So it jumped to the other side to get out of the window, and the window was closed, so it just jumped on the door panel, bounced off the wood glass, and then jumped on the dashboard and freaked out. Start panicking, and guess what happened? End up destroying the whole dashboard. I mean, every single inch of the dashboard is damaged, scraped. So this is why the car is here. Also, this before it jumped out of the car, it got this door panel as well. Very unfortunate situation. Little kitty got the best of him and destroyed his car. So he made an insurance claim, and here we are now. So now it's gone through insurance, and we end up getting a new dashboard, new door panels, and I think a couple more things. I gotta double check. But yeah, this is why the car is here. So let's pull the car inside, start taking out the interior, door panels, dashboard. So gonna be a pretty big job. Gotta replace everything. We got everything brand new from the dealer. So I guess it's a good thing, it's a bad thing. Good thing he will have a new door panels and dashboard. Bad thing, he had to go through this and wait till we got the parts. Parts took forever to get, but everything is here now. So now we could start the surgery. And then for the final, I'm gonna be installing an exhaust on this car. As you guys remember, on my old Huracan, I removed my exhaust and I did a center exit. So I still have the exhaust left over from my car, and we're gonna install it on this car, get him a little bit more excited because he was pretty down about this situation. So we're gonna get him his car back looking better than ever, and he'll have a good exhaust on his car. So let's pull the car inside and start working. Just got the Lamborghini in the shop. First things first, we're gonna disconnect the battery, which I already did. And now we could start removing everything. And this is our new dashboard, brand new, straight from the dealer. Still smells like Italia fresh leather. And yeah, so now we gotta get you all the bolts and take this bad boy apart. But it doesn't look too complicated. Just gotta get the access to it. So from the looks of it, gotta remove the side vents, this, the lower section, the upper pillars, both sides. Take some of this stuff apart to get access to the bolts, and same with the glove box. Gotta drop that down, and we should be able to get to all the bolts and remove everything. All right, let the fun begin. When you don't really have a good grip, because this is very smooth, tape comes in. And what you do, you put a slip right here, and we'll put a couple on the sides, so we got a nice firm grip. Wiggle, wiggle. wiggle, and it comes off. Now we could use this on the rest of them. And then once you pop this out, get something like this with the sharp, and then boom, and it's disconnected. So there's a little clip that you have to go from behind and just push on it, and it comes off. So now we gotta repeat this on all 4 of them or 3 of them, the rest of them, and those suckers comes out fairly easy. And then same thing, if you have a new dashboard, so you could kind of look at it and see where it's connected. I did so many of those back in the day, so I know exactly what you do. But then, yeah, kind of go based off the new one and see where it disconnects and how everything is done. So this guy goes here. So now we gotta pull the rest of the 3 out. Boom, and it's out. Okay, just remove all the vents. So next we're gonna start removing those bolts. There's 2 right here, 2 right here, and then nothing in the middle, and then same thing 2 on the other side. So I just removed this cover, this piece. So now I'm gonna remove the cluster. In order to remove the cluster, there's a stash bolt right here. So you gotta get a long extension and kind of get to it. And here it is, little guy. And then there's one more guy right here stashed away. So now we gotta get to this guy. Here it is. So now the cluster is moving. Just gotta remove this. Gotta pop this cover and it should all come up. Finally, everything is free and we're ready to start removing the dashboard. So in order to get to it, there's hitting bolts right here. So you have to lose this center console and scoot it back as far as you can to get to them. And that's it. After that, everything comes up fairly easy. Okay, everything is loose and ready to be removed. Progress on the Lamborghini, everything is installed. We got brand new door panels, brand new dash, and look how nice it is. The only thing I got left is to install the steering wheel, and I'll do that last because that's very you know, lasting thing. I don't want nobody touching it, so I'll replace that last. And we got a brand new steering wheel right here. Look how nice it is. So next, I'm gonna start working on the back. Like I said, I hooked them up with my old exhaust, my Soul Performance exhaust. So right now, gotta take the whole back apart, get to the exhaust, and then we'll install the new exhaust, get rid of this quiet, boring OEM, super heavy exhaust, and this car is gonna sound nice. So I already took the wheels off, so now I gotta pull the fender liners and take the whole back end apart. Literally have to take the whole back end apart all the way to right here. Pretty much gotta pull all of this stuff and then get the big, ugly, heavy exhaust off and install the light one. Okay, let's do this. Just remove the old exhaust, and guys, look how heavy and crazy this original exhaust. You're actually killing your car with this exhaust. And we're going super light. Perfect right here. Soul Performance, and it's gonna sound super nice. So if you guys have a exotic car, get rid of this crap. Super heavy box, unbelievable, and put some nice exhaust. Okay, I'm almost finished with the car. Installed the interior, windshield back. Everything looks super nice and amazing. Pretty much got a brand new steering wheel, dashboard, door panels. And then for the final, we got the exhaust. It's gonna sound so much better. Okay, let's go for a little test drive. Sounds so much better with the exhaust. Wow. That's it, car is washed. Unfortunately, it's raining and it sucks. But it is what it is. We're officially done with this build. Brad is here to come pick up his car, and we'll let you pop the cherry on it, you know. Sucks that it's raining, you know.
I know, right? Let's do it. Let's hear this thing. Man, it's been a while.
Pull the condom off that steering wheel.
Dude, I didn't know it was going to be a new wheel.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Dude, that's sexy. It's like I got an Evo.
Yeah, very much. Until you drive it, man.
Gallardo was the same thing, dude. It was just two monster boxes. Yeah.
So stupid. Now you got maybe 10 pounds in the back instead of the 100 pounds.
It's faster.
Oh yeah.
And what's the name of that exhaust?
Soul Performance.
Soul, that's what you said. People always ask me. I'm like, it's something.
Yeah, no, Soul Performance.
Well, thanks, guys. All right, I'll see you probably tomorrow.
Yeah.
Hopefully. All right. Drive slow in this rain.
Right up. Шесть. Wow, that sounds amazing. We're officially done with that build. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new to this channel and enjoy this kind of content, you know what to do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next build. До свидания!